Hi, I'm Asamet, and today I'm going to be going over the Unit 3 activity for the Essential Career Skills course. The activity is the Communicating and Problem Solving activity. In this activity, students will learn to apply their basic mathematical skills and solve a numerical problem. They will also need to use critical thinking and to be able to comprehend the problem and evaluate the problem in a form of a presentation. So we're going to look at that. Okay, so you're going to get this problem that talks about this pharmaceutical company that's received complaints, and you're given a lot of information about this company and the issues that they had, the cost of the product, and from there, you're going to have to use basic mathematical skills to calculate how long it'll take the pharmaceutical company to earn back the amount that it invested if it continues to sell the product. So even though it had an issue, you're going to have to try to figure out how long it's still going to take for them to earn back the amount of money that it originally invested. Once you do that, it is important that you look at the rubric. The rubric says you're going to evaluate the problem, use basic math skills, and calculate the solution to the problem. So you shouldn't just have a number. You should have exactly how much time, broken down into years, months, days, and also just kind of explaining the problem they had and why it would take that amount of time. That's for task 1. For task 2, it says you need to evaluate the information in the email and using a free online tool. So the free online tool could be, I suggest doing this in some type of presentation software. So if you have Microsoft PowerPoint, you can use it. That wouldn't be the free online tool though, but you could also use Google Slides. That's going to be the easiest way to create your presentation. In the presentation, you should have a pie chart that explains the different types of problems and complaints the customers stated in the email. You should also have a slide that includes some similar problems that maybe other companies similar to that one have found with products, medications, other things like that, and making note of the problems, the issues that they had. And then you can also make a slide that suggests alternatives to the problems. This could also be uh, alternatives that you saw when researching problems other companies had had. So that presentation doesn't necessarily have to have you post anything here unless you want to. You can actually just attach the presentation that you make along with this document when you upload it for your grade and submit it for a grade. So if you look again at task 2 in the rubric, you want to make sure that your presentation includes a pie chart, that it includes online research about similar problems, and that it also suggests alternatives for the company's problems. And again, it should be presented in a presentation form. It shouldn't just have those slides in an order that doesn't make sense. You should also be explaining the problem and whatnot with your presentation. Okay, so that is it for how to complete the Unit 3 activity, Communicating and Problem Solving. This is, again, the activity for the Essential Career Skills course. If you have any other questions about this activity, please reach out to me. You can call, text, or email, whatever works best for you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.